Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 18th, 2025, and we're diving into MillerKnoll's second quarter fiscal 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. MillerKnoll, a key player in the industrial and consumer sectors, has just released their Q2 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. MillerKnoll reported net sales of $955.2 million, a slight decrease of 1.6% year over year. However, they managed to beat the EPS forecast. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. While net sales dipped slightly, the adjusted earnings per share came in at 43, surpassing the forecast of 41 cents. This was achieved despite a challenging environment, thanks to a 20 basis point increase in gross margin to 39.0%. However, the operating margin did see a decline to 5.1% from 6.4% last year, indicating some pressure on operational efficiency.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, how did MillerKnoll's different segments perform this quarter?
The North America contract segment saw a 3.1% decline in sales, while the international contract segment experienced a 6.3% drop. On the brighter side, the global retail segment reported a 4.7% increase in sales, driven by strong performance during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday period. Additionally, MillerKnoll opened 4 new retail stores, which is part of their strategic initiative to expand their retail footprint.
Cash flow and debt management. Let's talk about cash flow and debt. How is MillerKnoll managing its financial health?
MillerKnoll reported liquidity of $548.3 million, which includes cash on hand and credit facility availability. They generated $64.6 million in cash flow from operations, up from $55.3 million last year. Their net debt to EBITDA ratio stands at 2.87x, which is manageable, and they have upcoming debt maturities of $10.3 million in fiscal 2026.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what can we expect from MillerKnoll in the next quarter?
The company has provided guidance for Q3, with net sales expected between $923 million and $963 million, and adjusted EPS between 42 and 48. CEO Andi Owen highlighted that the company exceeded expectations this quarter and is focused on innovation and operational excellence to drive long-term value.
Key takeaways. In summary, MillerKnoll has shown resilience with a strong EPS performance despite a slight dip in sales. Their strategic initiatives and focus on operational excellence are promising for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing MillerKnoll's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts on MillerKnoll's performance in the comments below.